got 2021 Acura TLX. We're gonna reset the oil life. Use the wheel button, wheel down, until you get to the oil. Here it says maintenance, ours is due by 10 miles. Now see how that was red, now the red went away? We need it to be red when we start this, okay? So we're gonna press the wheel button down, see how it's red now? Now we're gonna hold the wheel button down until it gives us the maintenance menu. It might take a couple seconds. It's at least 5 or 10 seconds. Just keep holding. Okay, here's our maintenance menu. Now we actually have 2 items with this car that are due. So we're actually just gonna do all items due. You can actually choose which ones you want to do. Hit the wheel button in, and it resets it to 100%. Okay, I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could, if you have a question. And if you want to see more content on Acura, hit subscribe.